If you finish, you stand a chance to win 10,000 naira cash or transfer.
Spanner, I never started
So,
to shit.
we have Spanner, we have Hyman, we have Otto. I call him Otto.
Transfer my name, man.
So, are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yeah, actually.
Are you ready?
Calm down, wait first now.
Game start. Please don't get choked. Oh. If you get choked, my hand no deal.
You're on your own.
You're on your own. If anything happens to you,
Spanner, spanner.
please don't get choked. Oh. If anything happens to you, you're on your own. Please don't get choked.
So is spanner.
Please don't get choked.
Why they call you? What happened?
Don't get choked. Oh. No, they do hyper, but make person no die for you. Spanner. Hyman,
I'm a wabble.
what did happen? Hyman, no die. Hyman, no die. Spanner, Hyman, easy. Hyman, easy.
What happened now?
Hyman, easy. Easy.
Calm down.
Calm down. Hyman, Hyman, I will rest on the shoulder. He need to rest now because if he do am, he fit for me. So he need to rest. These people still dey far. They still dey far. No need. He don't win. Hey, this is the fastest beer drinker.
Spanner.
Hey, Jesus.
I get pipe of truth.
Spanner, you poop pipe.
Ato, no give up, no just open up. Okay.
He just dey wait for them. He just dey wait. No more. He don't fit. They don't fit me to. They don't fit me to. He just dey wait.
They don't the winner at all.
Now Hyman, you gonna lose.
Ato,
I still get drink. See him drink. He still get drink.
Ato no dey lose o.
na phone.
I love you for that drink. Now drink that.
Come on, slow and steady. I'm a fan. You dey get that now?
Relax.
No, the phone, see phone.
You wish for one, finish up, no one see phone.
When we see now, drink the phone. Drink the phone. Hey! Okay.
Hyman.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Spanner actually won.
I won.
Who won?
He won. Who first finished? Not who
I finished.
Now who first finish? Not who
I finished.
I won.
Guys, please, that's a mistake. Spanner lost.
I lost
He lost it. Hyman was the first person to drop that bottle. This guy was the first person to drop the
If you are
bottle.
not happy with the result, go to God.
Please. I was surprised. We'll play the video back. Once he said that the guy was even the first person to drop. As far as even committed the drink.
Yes. You committed one bottle.
That's committed. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you want to challenge Spanner on food challenge, he's always good on food.
Fufu way.